Here's a beautiful, lightweight, aerodynamic, aluminum framed fiberglass family camper. The Tracer, built by Prime Time and division of Forest River, well known for quality products with lots of good storage solutions. Let's take a look around. You've got your powered tongue jack, covered 20-pound propane tanks. At Long Haul, we fill those tanks. We install your deep cycle marine battery, your water hose, your sewer hose, pressure regulator, electrical adapter. That's all included at no charge. No hidden fees here at Long Haul in Listowel. Nose cone lighting around the profiled molded fiberglass cap. All in one docking station. It's a well insulated and heated underbelly trailer, so it's nice to have all that hookups inside a sealed and heated compartment. Battery disconnect, hot and cold outdoor shower, spray port, lights, solar hookup, water hookup, black tank flush, cable hookups, everything right there. You bring it up through the hole in the bottom, make your connections, close it up, and it's secure. Slam lock baggage doors, magnetic catches to hold them open. You've got a trailer prepped for the side cameras, not only the back camera, but a three-way observation system. You've got the side cameras you can clip in there. There's your low point drains, your sewer hookups. You can see the insulation there. It is for 3-season enjoyment. Powered stabilizer jacks front and back. Aluminum rims. 50 amp power cord. The cord is included. Now we'll talk about the storage solutions. That rear bike door is one of those. Great idea. The rear bike door, plus you've got the under bed storage here under one of the bunk beds. Of course, front storage there, pass-through storage with the motion sensor light. That is standard. Doggy D-ring, tie up your pets. Outdoor fridge, little work table, you can slide that out. Put the barbecue that you choose on there, hook it up to the propane quick connect, and you've got a nice little outdoor cook area. Little electric fridge, power awning, LED lighting, LED lit speakers as well. And you can see here how beautiful the gel coat high gloss fiberglass coating. Aluminum rims, electric brakes on both axles. Let's take a look inside this 28 BHS. Ladder leading up to the bunks. Double corner bunks right inside the door here. The bottom bunk is flipped up, leaving you lots of room to park in your children's bikes. Pull across privacy curtain. Again, motion sensors in the washroom, flick on as you enter. Glass door shower. Linen storage here just outside your washroom door. Nice handy spot. You can use it for the people's clothes that are sleeping in the bunks. Well equipped little camper with electric fireplace, your sound bar, and the big screen TV like you normally only find in much larger units. And the great part is you don't lose storage. What a great idea to put this swing away TV in the storage compartment behind it. Gives you a coat closet because after all, it is a 3-season trailer. You might need some winter coats. Of course, that electric fireplace is only secondary heat. Main heating is with the propane furnace. 12-volt fridges have come a long way, giving you very, very efficient cooling as you drive, powered by your battery. Comes standard with the tire pressure monitor. Ducted AC. Air conditioning unit is up in the insulation of the attic, making it a much quieter running air conditioning. Your L-shaped kitchen here tucked up against the bedroom wall really opens up this trailer. Makes it feel like you've got lots of living area. Your couch pulls out into a bed. Not just a jackknife sofa, but you've got the pull-out mattress there for a full-length bed. Easy access to the storage under that booth dinette benches with swing-away doors on both sides. Beautiful solid surface countertop, overhead cabinets, lots of drawer space, glass oven door, LED lit knobs, glass stove top over the 3-burner stove. And swinging into your bedroom, queen size bedroom, lots of room to walk around at the foot of the bed. Windows on both sides for great cross ventilation, shirt closets on both sides. I like how these new units tuck in the extra storage space at the head of the bed. With the charging receptacles, so that's a good spot to put your alarm clock, your phone charger, your water bottle, whatever you have there. You've got those 2 little spots at the head of the bed, still giving you a nice full-size shirt closet. And what that does is moves all your glasses, your stuff that you normally have on these little end tables, moves those off the shelf, giving you room for a slide-out drawer. And you still have another receptacle there if you need it to power something else. Prepped for the TV, sliding pocket door. All in all, I think they've thought of everything. What a beautiful family camper. Come check out the Tracer. In stock now at Long Hall in Listowel.